Put the surf down in here. Are you kidding me?
That's how you start a morning right there.
We were still less than 5 minutes into the stand, so we decided to keep calling. A couple minutes later, here comes a third one. I thought this was for sure going to be our first triple on film ever.
If you can. He might come further, but he's going to circle for a while. If you can. High, about 2 feet.
This may have been the smallest and dumbest coyote on the planet. After this second shot, and it was way high too, I knew his gun had to be off. We ended up going back to the truck, found a water bottle, set it out there, and he was almost 6 inches high at 100 yards. Not really sure how the gun got knocked off, but that's what it was.
Well guys, welcome to day 25?
I think so.
Sure? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 25. We've lost track, guys. Honestly, we got to go look back, but yeah. So we had a crazy first stand. What happened?
Well, I'm not gonna name any names, but
no, we gotta check a gun because I'm pretty sure
Yeah.
that was not you. That first shot was 2 feet high.
so we just called in a triple on this first stand. They all came as stacked singles. First stand, you can see where I'm sitting. I pan over, and this coyote is standing next to that cliff rose right there. And I'm just like, what in the heck? But I didn't really know, and he just kind of turned and went down, and I hit that pup cry, stopped him in the bottom.
I saw that.
Played one more sequence. Another one come out of this draw up here. Stopped him on the open spot, shot him, played another sequence. Another one comes from over here. Come out here, kind of open spot, and I think Jeff's gun might be off. Cause
After that first shot, it has to be, because there's no way you missed that high twice in a row. So yeah, we'll have to double check.
hey, that's 96.
Nice.
4 to go.
You and your back holes, Garrett.
It's a good sized coyote for out here though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll leave him here and I'll grab that other one.
Yeah, is it gonna be easier to go to the road or not? Probably not. It's not too far. He might be still alive. Maybe not. Maybe he just, yep, he's still alive. Not anymore.
Yeah, I wasn't balanced real well when I shot this one.
Look at all the fur. Yeah, that one's not going on video. Well guys, sorry, we're not gonna be able to show you that one. That one's another one we're gonna get flagged for. So, but yeah, we got 2 of them. We'll clean that one up a little bit and take a picture.
It's not a horn, I'm gonna feel like a real idiot.
All right guys, let's see if Garrett's retarded because he made me slam on the brakes because there's a horn laying on the fence line.
It's a horn, for sure.
Nice, that is a good one. That's the first road horn you found from my Toyota.
It is. It's 3-point, but...
Nice. Heck yeah.
It's been there a couple years, yeah.
A year?
A year.
Well, after finding out Jeff's gun was so far off, we did get it dialed in, but he was really hesitant to want to shoot. I would be in his shoes too. I've had that happen before, and not having confidence in your gun or your optics is a horrible feeling. That being said, Jeff was a nice guy and let Garrett shoot this one even though it was on his side, just to make sure we got it so we could get closer to our 100. Thanks, Jeff.
Man, I won't lie, I was worried he was going to circle way downwind when he disappeared behind that for so long. He's just a little guy, isn't he?
We're not 100% sure, guys, but we're thinking that this little guy was the one that Jeff missed on that triple. He came from the exact same place that the other one left to.
Good looking one,
yeah.
Not very big. Hard charging as he was.
So apparently I didn't have the mic plugged in here, but yeah, I actually walked out front this time and found me a nice little shed walking into the stand. So I'm guessing it's just because of this trip, but we have never had so many just cluster stands. Well, this was another one.
You got him. Right down there. Okay, I got him. Right at the edge of the grass. On the right, to your right.
No.
Where did they both come out of the bottom?
Well, the first one I saw, he was just coming into the sage and he hit that low spot.
Oh, okay.
And the other one was just coming through the big patch of sage out there.
Yeah, I know. I was watching something up there on the top, on the ridge top. I thought was something coming over.
I didn't mean to shoot across, but I saw you didn't see this coyote.
No, God, no.
I didn't see him either.
I looked down, seen the one shining in the sun once. He said I got him, and I thought, oh, that's one Garrett shooting at. I'm not going to spook him, so I wasn't moving.
I didn't even have my gun up, but I saw you looking at this one, not this one.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh shit, he started going away. And I was like, I'm killing this one because he's looking at the other one.
Oh, okay.
I hadn't even moved my gun.
You gotta love those cluster stands. You're like, where is it?
Yeah, I kissed and I kind of I seen.
He might have just been behind brush from us or something.
He may have been.
Well, it turns out, guys, that when we went to go pick up that one Garrett shot, it was behind a little ridge from me and Jeff. We couldn't quite see it where he was standing.
Oh, guys, there it is. 98. Might have been 99, but me and Jeff are blind as shit, apparently.
Yeah.
Nice.
We'll take it. Two-way, boys.
So close.
All right, guys, just wrapped up day number 25 for the Coyote tour. Guys, we're right there, 2 away, 98, as you can see. And we didn't throw this in the claws, but we did get a giant bonus bobcat yesterday morning. I thought it was a small one, Ended up being a real big one, but no, I had a great time with our good buddy Jeff. Bear's Beard Oil on Instagram, go check that out. I mean, look at this thing. It goes down further than his, well,
Yeah.
you know. But anyway, thank you guys so much for your support and everything you guys have been doing, following us, commenting on our pictures. Especially thank you to everyone who's heading over to our store this last month. The amount of traffic we've had on there has been amazing. So thank you guys very much for that. Again, that's just going to keep helping us fund our trips out in the field and get going. And again, guys, 10% of that, all purchases made this month on our store is going back to a charity. So couldn't be happier to be doing that, and we couldn't be doing this without your guys' support, your guys' help, our partners, everybody. So thank you guys very much, and day 26 coming your way.